Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, please make sure you go ahead and consider subscribing, leaving a like, and a comment down below letting me know what you thought of today's review. So today is a little bit of a surprise for me because I haven't opened the package. I actually wanted to record my reaction because I haven't done that in a long time. And I do have a package here that was delivered by FedEx. I have no clue what sneaker is in here. I am fully aware that, you know, I had about 5 pairs on the way, but I don't know which one is in here, and all 5 I've never had. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and, you know, just share with you guys my honest reaction. So, oh, okay. That's my favorite kind of boxes to see. Okay, you guys can see that? It's a Nike SB box. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys see the sneaker first. And we have, yes, the Nike Para. I don't know how to pronounce it in Spanish, would be Para, but I'm not sure how you guys say it in English, so I'm gonna say it in Spanish, okay? The Nike Dunk Patta. Just look at it. Oh my god, yes. Like, how can someone create such a beautiful sneaker? Like damn. Just damn. Alright, hold on. Let me take it out of the box, because otherwise I'm gonna be here all day. Just quickly, it does come with extra laces. They're like it's like a sea blue type of lace. I do not like the color, to be honest, and I'm going to be leaving the white ones on the sneaker. So now taking a look at the shoe itself, wow, just wow. Sneaker right here is just beautiful. It's beyond beautiful. I cannot wait to rock these out with a fire outfit. Make sure you go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, because soon you will be seeing a reel. If it's not up yet, I think it should be up by the time this video comes out. You should also be seeing an outfit photo, and follow me on TikTok. I actually made an account, so you guys can go ahead and follow me there. Now, getting on the details of the sneaker, you guys can see here the tongue. It says Nike SB. Now, it does have a small flaw in the fact that it's not very padded on this side right here. It seems like it's lacking a little bit of cushioning, but it's totally fine. You know, I'm actually going to be wearing these with baggy jeans, so most likely you guys won't even be able to tell when I'm walking. Here we have the toe box. Let me know down in the comments what you think of the shape. To me, it looks good. Once again, when you're wearing the shoes and walking, I mean, it's pretty difficult for people to spot stuff. So here we have the other swoosh. I like how the swoosh kind of ends here. I think I would have to go grab some other of my dunks, but I think the swoosh runs all the way back. Here we have the back of the sneaker. Pretty nice. I feel the Nike word is a little bit too small, but regardless, such a beautiful sneaker. And then the stitching, you guys can see in very crystal clear details. Super nice. Then the swoosh, I like the swoosh. It looks like a stamped swoosh, kind of like, you know, when you kind of like get ink and then stamp it and then it kind of spreads wide. It's a little bit similar to the inner swoosh of the Travis Fragment One Lows. That's what that reminds me of. And then we have this tiny swoosh right here on the toe box. So I have seen people kind of cutting off this material here, and it seems like it's a very almost neon pink color, the one that's underneath, if I'm not mistaken. I'll try to find photos of people who have cut it already and put it on screen for you guys to see. I am not doing that to my sneakers. It's very rare, almost never I customize any of my sneakers unless I maybe have doubles, which I haven't had any doubles up till now, which you guys will see which sneaker I have a double of. Or if you saw one of my most recent videos, I'm a little bit, you know, confused with my own schedule. I don't know what video goes first, but there's gonna be a sneaker that I actually have two of them, one retail, one UA, and you guys must check out that video because I'm pretty excited on filming it. But anyways, that's off the topic. So I hope you guys can see this here, but in here we have the size tag, and we have you know, like the cool design the insole has. We also have here the details behind the tongue. It's pretty nice. And again, so this right here was just another sneaker that I had on my wish list. I almost purchased it from one of my favorite websites, and I'm so glad that, you know, this company reached out and they were willing to send it to me because they hit the nail on the head, you know. So again, I cannot wait to style these, post a Instagram photo for you guys. Stay tuned for that because 100% that photo should be up live in a couple of, well, it should actually be live by the time this video goes live. So anyways, I'm going to cut it right here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys are enjoying the quality that I'm trying to put out on the channel, audio and, you know, just video wise. So yeah, and then I have another video to film for you guys, and hopefully that can provide you enough entertaining content for the next couple of days. So without any more talking, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.